Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Stihl spark plugs is probably one of the most important components in your Stihl equipment, ensuring reliable starts and optimal engine performance. In this video, we will delve into the world of Stihl spark plugs, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs, helping you maintain peak performance and extend the lifespan of your valuable equipment. We will also cover how to identify a faulty spark plug and the importance of regular maintenance and replacement to avoid costly repairs and downtime. Number 5. Haishine CMR6H Spark Plugs. These spark plugs are a direct replacement for your old ones, ensuring easy installation and a perfect fit. They're designed for a wide range of Stihl trimmers and blowers. It's compatible with various Stihl models, including FS90, FS100, FS110, HL90, KM90, and more. This makes it a versatile choice for many users. They are built with a pure luminous silicate ceramic insulator for superior strength and nickel-plated threads for corrosion protection. Expect long-lasting performance. The solid copper core ensures efficient heat dissipation and conductivity, leading to reliable starts and reduced overheating. This translates to better engine performance. These spark plugs deliver fast, efficient starts and improved fuel economy. This 3-pack offers great value, saving you money in the long run. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with various Stihl models. Its durable design ensures a long lifespan, saving you money in the long run. If you need a reliable spark plug for multiple Stihl tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly. I change my plugs every year in my powered equipment. These were good plugs, ran strong, no issues. Stihl weed eater wouldn't start. Swapped out for new plug and runs like new. Number 4. Powtol CMR6H Spark Plugs, 4-pack. These spark plugs are designed for a variety of Stihl trimming and blowing tools. They're a direct replacement for NGK 3365, ensuring a reliable and powerful performance. Experience improved ignition and enhanced engine efficiency with these high-quality spark plugs. They're built to last and provide consistent performance. This pack fits a wide range of Stihl models, including FS, FC, HL, KM, HT, and BR series. Check your model's compatibility before purchasing. Replacing your old spark plugs is simple and straightforward. These are designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime. Get 4 high-quality spark plugs in one convenient pack. This ensures you're always prepared for replacements and saves you money in the long run. Upgrade your Stihl equipment with these reliable and compatible spark plugs. Enjoy improved performance and extended engine life. What we like. This is a great value pack with broad compatibility across many Stihl trimmers and blowers. Getting 4 plugs for the price saves you time and money on replacements. If you need a cost-effective solution for multiple machines, this is a smart choice. What people say. The spark plugs fit my weed eater well and perform well. Plugs work great in my Stihl weed eater. Plug gaps are always correct when I receive them. They are working as they should as of right now. I own a lawn care business, so my equipment is used daily dozens of times. So far the spark plugs haven't shown any sign of issue, I guess time will tell. Number 3. AUMEL CMR6H Spark Plug Kit. This kit replaces the original Stihl part number 3365. It's a perfect solution for your trimmer or brush cutter repair needs. It fits a wide range of Stihl models, including the FS90, FS100, FS110, and more. This ensures compatibility with many popular trimmers and brush cutters. Made with durable materials and rigorously inspected, it's built to last. You can trust it to keep your equipment running smoothly. Replacing it is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes. Keep your tools in top condition with minimal effort. The kit includes 10 spark plugs, providing ample replacements for your needs. You'll have plenty on hand for future maintenance. We're here to help. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. What we like. This is an economical option with a large quantity of spark plugs. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a bulk purchase to save money and time on replacements, this is perfect for you. What people say. They work fine in Stihl and Haishine equipment and last just as long as the name brand plugs. Keeps up with the everyday use and abuse you put my machines through, have no complaints, just like OEM part. Perfect replacement part. Number 2. Stihl chainsaw spark plug. This is the perfect replacement spark plug for your Stihl chainsaw. It's designed for a long lifespan and reliable performance, keeping your chainsaw running smoothly. It delivers consistent ignition, ensuring optimal power and efficiency for all your cutting needs. Experience the difference a high-quality spark plug makes. This spark plug is compatible with a wide range of Stihl chainsaw models, including the TS400, TS410, TS420, TS460, and many more. It also fits various other two-stroke engines. Built to withstand the demands of heavy-duty use, it provides reliable performance time after time. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it will start your chainsaw every time. Replacing your spark plug is quick and simple. Get back to work quickly with this easy-to-install replacement. This 3-pack of spark plugs is the perfect replacement for your worn-out spark plugs. Keep your chainsaw running at peak performance with this essential replacement part. What we like. It's compatible with a wide range of Stihl chainsaws and other two-stroke engines. The convenient 3-pack provides multiple replacements. If you have several two-stroke tools needing spark plugs, this is a versatile option. What people say. The 3-pack was perfect for keeping with my chainsaw. I put one in so far and it has worked great. Easy to follow the ad, the right part for the saw was listed. Installed and now I am satisfied that the saw runs great. Fits and works perfectly. Number 1. Haishine L7T Spark Plug. This spark plug is built to last. Its high-grade ceramic insulator and corrosion-resistant plating ensure a long lifespan and optimal performance. The pure copper core efficiently transfers and dissipates heat. This leads to reliable starts and prevents overheating issues. It's a perfect replacement for your Stihl MS170, MS180, 017, 018, and many other models. Check compatibility before purchasing. Triple seals prevent leaks and flashovers, providing enhanced stability and safety during operation. It's designed, engineered, and tested to the highest standards, guaranteeing reliable performance and easy installation. Upgrade your chainsaw with this superior spark plug for consistent performance and peace of mind. What we like. It features a high-grade ceramic insulator for extended life and superior heat dissipation to prevent overheating. The triple seals ensure reliability and safety. If you prioritize quality and longevity in your spark plug, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Exact. 5 stars, very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.